Yamaha R3. Dope. Little baby Yamaha. Oh my gosh. What the heck is that truck doing? No blinker. He's just swerving through all these lanes like a crazy person. What the heck was that? What a nut, dude. 2 Trump stickers in a row. Oh my gosh, this guy just cut that Hyundai off, seemingly intentionally. Flicked his blinker on, flipped around him, and then just no blinker pulled in front of him. Wow. I mean, that Hyundai was going really slow, but nothing crazy, I guess. This guy's blinker is on. See, nice RPS CV. Dang, dude, that slow's flying. Oh my gosh! Holy crap! No blinkers. Totally squeezed through there. Cut that guy off. What a nut. Use your blinkers. So, a new Chewy's Tex-Mex place opened up right by me, and they've been pretty popular. Was not disappointed. Yo, I just called the cops. You're in for it, man. You're in for it. They're coming to get you. You're done for, man. It's too hot for this. Po-po. Why are you stopping? You don't have to stop to make a turn. This is the slowest people I've ever driven behind. Oh my gosh, and I-4 is like stopped. Look at this. That's awesome. Sick. Chopper, they out here looking for that dude with the bomb again. Live long and prosper. Oh, I was wondering why it was shaped so funny. I guess that's the Vulcan deal. I have no idea if that guy could see me or not, but I was gonna be loud about it, so he knew. I'm ready to rip the throttle. I gotta get out of the way. Oh my gosh, both those minivans straight ahead, yanked over with no blinker and almost hit each other. Jeez, traffic brings out the worst in people. So up here are 2 exit lanes that pull off of I-4 and then exit to 2 different exits, but they also merge straight back onto I-4. So people use that as like a get around lane when traffic's bad over here. But man, so many people are using both right now that it's just all stopped everywhere. But it's probably still faster in this lane either way. It's nice out though. There must be an accident somewhere. Traffic isn't usually this bad. It's not usually like this stop. At least not this consistently either. Don't put your feet down. Don't put your feet down. Nice RPS TV. Come on over. Oh my gosh, there's a lizard on my arm. Look at this! Ah! I'm like the lizard man, dude. Holy crap! I felt something hit my arm and I was like, what is it? Where'd he go? Oh my gosh! That was insane. Holy cow. I have no idea where he came from, but I'm pretty sure he's on my backpack. That's nuts, dude. He's got to be still on my backpack somewhere. Where'd he go? I have no idea. I think I could see him in the shadow on my backpack. I want to stop somebody with their window down and ask them if there's a lizard on my back. See if anybody has their windows down. It's too hot out. Most people have their windows up with the AC blaring though. There's got to be somewhere where I can stop too. Uh-oh. That's not a good place to stop and figure all that out. Should probably like pull somewhere safe. Look at that thing. Ooh, nice GTR. A good looking GTR, my dude. Clean. Look at that butt. Such a good view. Gave me a thumbs up. Tiny bike.
Okay, one more.
Good looking camera. Yeah, the shots come out so good.
They do.
You have to send them over to me.
I will.
Send me like a few of the different good ones. Looks good.
I'll send them to you.
Alright. The heck was that guy doing? Not paying any attention. Almost blew that red light. Clueless, dude. Kid had no clue. Oh, what's that kid riding? Looks like it might have been a Triumph. I feel like that thing has some really small back tire or something. It looks weird. It looks really small. It's a Ducati. Strange. Good girl, good girl.